Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Cleveland Biolabs, and as you can see that after a big downfall the stock has indeed trying to make a bounce back, or it's not a bounce back, it's tried to just create a base over a period of last 4 or 5 years or so. So this is very interesting in terms of overall chart pattern, because what you can look on your screen is the monthly chart, which is the longest chart pattern. And if the stock, as you can see here, from the since 2015 it has moving inside a range, apart from this breakdown which has happened in 2020. Okay, so still if you can exclude this thing, then you can see that overall the chart has been inside a range. So first we are going to discuss about that, and simultaneously we are going to discuss about the stock and its long-term trend as well. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now, as you can see here, first of all, the stock is trading inside a range. So on the upside you have $5.71 as your big resistance and 0.5 will be your big support. So first of all, understand that if the stock falls below 0.5, then obviously you shouldn't carry, or one shouldn't carry any positions without or with reasons. Okay, because we don't know how far it will go on the downside. So as simple as that, mark your uh, support as the last one and do not just go beyond that, because we don't know how far the or how big the risk can be. Now in between you have lots of support and resistance level, because the way the stock is moving, you have up 1.9 as your first support, then you have 1.31 as your second support, further you have 1.98 as your third support, and finally 0.52. So inside this range the stock is moving around, and it has tried to make a breakout, but obviously 5.71 has indeed become a big resistance, and it also acts like that. So unless the stock moves above 5.7 or 5.8 and sustain above that, one cannot expect any further rally on the upside. So that is the thing. And if the same thing happens this time, as it has already happened, that the stock hits 5.71 and it moves back towards the lower end of the range. So let us see, because it is simply moving inside or in between 1.9 and 5.71. so if the stock unable to hold 1.9, then obviously it will move towards the lower end of the range. But let's say it's consolidated in between 1.91 and again try to hit on the upper end of the range, then also the only condition it should meet, that it has to move above or across uh, the range, and also has to make a breakout for a rally which may take this stock much higher than the current level. So one condition is the stock must make a breakout above 5.8 for further rally. Okay, now in case if that happens, then there are lots of conditions as well. Okay, it is not like everything will be very easy for this stock. So let's say if the stock hits or makes a breakout over 5.8, then you will have your next target or resistance at 7.33. Now 7.33 is a very important level, because if it enables to sustain above 7.33, if the stock unable to sustain 7.33, what will happen? This is like a gateway. Okay, gateway which will open the road for the stock to go up. So if it doesn't happen, if the stock moves toward or till 7.33 and again falls back, then it will again hits toward the lower end of the range. It will again moves downward. But to make a move on the higher side, first requirement is 5.7. Then a confirmation will come once the stock moves and makes a breakout over 7.33, 34 or 35 and sustain over there. If that happens, or when that happens, then you will have your next target or resistance at 14.3. Then you will have $25. Then further you will have $40, and you will have 59 or $60 on the upside. So I won't go beyond this level, because for the current price, this level is indeed a big target, because it has to reach around 17 or $1800. So obviously these kind of levels are not very far. Means looking at the current conditions where the stock can move 2000% in a day, so 1700% or 1500% is not a big deal. But the thing is, we should look at the chart with normalcy, and we always think that it will move in a normal way and not like in a random manner. The volatility is very high. If it hits, then obviously you have to think accordingly. If you find that okay, the price had reached my target, then you have to get out. Or if you feel that there is more to go, then you can carry a position accordingly. That is up to the individual. Okay, but there are lots of levels which one needs to think and act upon, and always remember that understand your support and resistance level, use your stop losses properly, otherwise you will be in a big danger and you may lose all of your profits. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.